happen to be a crazy milkshake? That's what you call it? Okay. So Ryan, do you want to have some?
It's a limited offer. You could have it later.
Okay, fine.
Today I have Oreos, strawberries, mangoes, Milo and milk and ice to make it nice and cold for supper. And this is to sourize the sweetness so it becomes balanced. Powdery. This is going in. It looks weird. It looks like dirt's going under the fruit. But
That looks colorful though, because we know it's chocolate, mango, and strawberry. Okay, so now there goes milk. Are you sure you'll be able to do it? I'll help you.
tell me when to stop, please.
Yeah, done.
That looks nice.
Oh, there's bubble coming up.
It means that the dirt wants to come out and express its flavor.
Yuck.
It's bad. We are gonna get sick tomorrow.
You are, not me.
It's time to pour the truth.
The treasure.
Oh.
That looks like a thick shake.
That's what you made, right?
Yeah, that's what I was supposed to be. Totally.
I thought it was supposed to be crazy.
It's soupy.
Crazy thick shake.
Yeah.
Nice. It's just like Pac-Man. Go.
Batman.
This looks good.
This one's mine.
Okay.